Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening a private window. Press Shift-Command-N or choose File, right arrow New Private Window. This creates an isolated browsing session that won't save history or most cookies. Once done, make sure you notice the dark Smart Search field and the Private label. Those confirm you're inside private mode. You should also close any regular windows if you want a fully contained session. Otherwise, open tabs can persist outside private mode. Now proceed to navigate normally, but expect limited tracking and cleared local data when you finish. Once your private window is open, treat tabs the same way you normally do. Each tab remains within the private session only. If an extension interferes, go to Safari right arrow Preferences, right arrow Extensions, and toggle it off. Some extensions can still collect data unless disabled. Make sure you understand signing in. You can log into sites, but Safari won't store passwords or auto-fill details long-term. If you need downloads, remember files are kept on disk, even though browsing data is not. So manage downloaded files manually. To finish, simply close the private window and Safari clears the session data. Cookies, history entries, and form fills from that window are removed. If you want ongoing privacy settings, open Safari right arrow Preferences, right arrow Privacy to block cross-site trackers or manage website data. If private mode is missing, make sure you aren't in a managed profile or parental controls. Restart Safari, and if needed, reset permissions in system settings. If problems persist, check for updates. An outdated Safari can behave unpredictably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.